Shit crazy, man. Crazy, man. Watch. Metal. Let's go. I'm staring through the edge of this reality, wondering what's ahead if I'm prepared for what could challenge me. I'm not quite even needing something to balance me, but all I'm ever seeing is these familiar fallacies. It seems to baffle me, is this how it has to be? As for me, is this all existence really has for me? I'm right in front of the door, I need a master key. Painting a picture, not sure if it's a masterpiece. Before I'm fast asleep, I ask for peace in a world full of chaos and massive grief. I wish I could say different days, same shit, but it's the same day, same shit, same news clip, same news flash, and they saying who's hit. Same little kids slain from the same full clip, same kids outside playing, saying who's it. I'm about to go insane from the same bullshit, shit.
Around me are familiar faces.
I see the same face,
worn out places.
I see the same place,
worn out faces.
still the same face.
Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow.
So as I wake up for my rest today, I realize that today is just yesterday. It's the same as before, the half-full cereal box I finished yesterday and the day before. I stopped reading the paper because it came before. I told my chick I hated her the day before. Yesterday turned into today and tomorrow. Guess we'll never speak again, not today and tomorrow. Cause if tomorrow is today and today is still yesterday, that means she's still thinking about the things I said that day. And if I happen to get inside her head today, tomorrow will come and she'll forget what was said today. That means I have to start all over here, yell here, scream in the heart all over, explain everything, every part all over, till tomorrow comes and everything starts all over.
Around me are familiar faces.
I see the same face,
worn out places.
I see the same place,
worn out faces.
still the same face.
Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow.
Listening to Sam Cooke, and I'm waiting on a change for me. Change gon' come, but everything's still the same for me. Somebody came and took tomorrow away from me and replaced it with pain and sorrow today for me. The sun shines every day, but it's something I hate to see. It's like he's smiling, saying there's no escape for me. Mailman's always on time, he's never late, you see. And the paper he brings still has the same date to read. Walk outside to the same wind, so I hate the breeze. Same old air I take in, so I hate to breathe. Same routine with slow man will pass the curve. He always falls off his bike when he has to swerve. So it's like it's no future and the past is burned. But night comes, so that means the world has to turn. I trust today cause tomorrow's not honest. I guess that's why they say that tomorrow's not promised.